walk in. All right, y'all, check it out. You see Islam? Anyway, I guess this our little couch. We have a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. We in New Orleans, Louisiana. We have Mardi Gras, March the 2nd, 2025, and this is Sunday we just got here. I guess it's our little couch. It's a little couch right here. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, by the way. That's our little table, I guess. Little rug, little TV, which it probably ain't never gonna be on. Oh, that's a cold little seat. Yeah, I like that. And then it's got an open area. We ain't got no views though. Ain't no views from the 6th today.
That window.
Where?
That window above the kitchen sink.
All right, let's see. All right, so that's the living room. That's our little dining room. That's our people's drink. They gotta come pick that up. What's this? Oh, look, you know it's real. We here for a while. That's a, stackable washer and dryer. Something slight. What we got in here? Oh, pots and pans. Something slight. This is called the Saunders. It's like apartments. It's not really a hotel, but it is like a hotel. Let's see what we got in there. What's in our cupboard? What they say? Louisiana, since we're in Louisiana. Some noodles, just in case. A box of beer. The stuff your granny didn't let you touch back in the day. Y'all know what it is. Oh, y'all, your granny probably didn't let you touch that either. And she probably for sure didn't let you touch no club crackers. But this is mine. This is my favorite right here. Biscoff. A little bit of Pop-Tart, something slight, We don't really have no food because we're going to be eating out. But we do have hydration. Alkaline, smart water. Oh, we got a big bottle of Jack. We got the beers cooking. And we have another bottle of Jack. A couple beers, Tiny put in there. And we got our flask, because that's how we slide. That flask is filled up with that big Jack. Huh. Let's cook. Oh, we got some bread from HEB. That's Texas-ish. That's to soak up the liquor, that's all. And we have some more cabinets, as you can see. I ain't gonna open up all the cabinets, but we got that cabinet. We got an oven. We got a stove top. We got a big boy microwave, something slight. We got a paper towel roll. I don't know why I lost it because I don't really have paper towels in my house. We don't really do that. We do it, but we don't. Tiny pull them out on special occasions. Coffee maker, we don't drink coffee. Toast, I don't toast nothing. I don't know what this is. What is this?
I think it's a tea kettle.
Oh, a tea kettle?
Yeah.
Some slight. Some slight. Let me get back to y'all. Let's cook.
Few moments later.
All right, y'all. We have what is this?
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. Yeah, we don't. Hey, where I'm from, we don't do dishwashers. You heard? Some slight. Oh, okay. We got some work in here. Maybe I need to open up all the cabinets. Okay. All right. Empty. What they got up here? Oh, okay. We got 4 spoons. Place you want to open up that one. Got some cans. Yeah. Let's see what's up in here. We got some plates. Oh, maybe I do need to open up everything. We got cups. We got mugs. We got plates. Little plates. Bowls. Cereal bowls. Nothing. What's over here? Nothing. All right, what's down here? They better have some oh, they got dishwashing liquid. What's in here? Oh, they even got laundry pods. They ain't playing. Dishwasher pods. They got paper towels in the cut. What is this? Little cleaner. This probably like some hand soap. Yeah, some wash. Yeah. Something slight. I think that's the soap to wash the dishes. We got our dish rack. Nice in there. Fire extinguisher. Got a water filter. Okay. Let's see what that water pressure looks like. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Pull that. Stop playing with them. See the bar? Light. And then I guess we do have a view, but it's a view of I think that's the 10 freeway. Or the 90, as a matter of fact. One of them. Other than that. Oh, dang. Tiny got melted on there. Let me get back to that.
Few moments later.
We got a little bit of artwork on the walls. Trash can. Another window. We got that JBL popping, something slight. You know how we do. Here. Alright, we got the AC because it was muggy in here. It stank so bad in here. We got the AC set to 60.
That's the lowest it can go.
Yeah. And then this the master suite. You heard?
It's nice to have walk-in closet though.
Walk-in closet. Where the light at for this? Oh. Where the light at? Where the light at? Oh, down there. Cool. You know what I'm saying? We outside. That's our little clothes for the week. Well, we be here for 3 days, y'all. This our view. This our mirror. Something slight. 1984. I'm an 80s baby. You better act like y'all know, man. Stop playing with him. Outside. This our view from the bedroom. Nothing too spectacular. Ain't really nothing. That's our bed. I don't know what this is right here. This must be somebody doing. What's this? What is this? Oh, that's a water heater. Man, this is like it's like an apartment for real, for real. That's a water heater area. We're gonna have to close that up. We don't need that. Alright, and they even had a fan. They know how people like the fan. Tiny pulled the fan out the closet. And then we got this pocket door issue. Some slight. Let's see. Nice wide old toilet. It's cool. Let's see what the shower look like. I'll check it. Let me slow down. I swear, it's a big old tub. Look how big this bad boy is. Something different. Anyways, y'all, this the bathroom. This the sink area. They got in here. Oh, that's tiny stuff. Nothing else. Toilet paper in the cut. There's the sinks. See, this is how I check the water pressure. Mirror. You know, some little cheap, you know. Spray. In case you hit a deuce. Gotta check that out. Okay. And we are officially done with the apartment tour. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It costs a bag though for the 3 days. This costs like $1,500. So, you know, it's kind of bad. We like hotels, but the homie was already up in here, so we go here. I mean, it is what it is, and we gonna slide. Like, comment, subscribe. Mardi Gras 2025. Let's fucking go!